everybody. So today we're going to learn a new tool, and that being the magnetic tool. So if you see this, you'll notice that there is a new tool called the magnetic lasso tool, and this is the last of the lasso tool series. So we're just going to click on that, and if you notice the cursor right here, there's a magnet, and I guess there is a symbol that kind of represents what kind of shape it'll be. And the beauty of this one here is you'll be able to select specifically round shapes, whereas the other ones is more of a straight shape, with the polygon tool. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put this beautiful building, which by the way exists, it's a hotel somewhere in China, and then you're going to place it inside the ocean, sort of like a kind of a place for the Atlantis. So let me show you a few things. First of all, we're going to go ahead and use the magnetic tool, and just like the polygon tool, we're going to select an area here, and just slowly and subtly, okay. First of all, we want to make sure there's really not much for me to say over here. Just got to make sure that it's this icon here selected, the new selection, and not that you're adding. Alright, let's go for it. So let's go ahead and slowly select, and then you just kind of, and that kind of, I'm not doing a good job here, but let's try. Notice how, actually I am doing an okay job, because notice how I'm kind of selecting the edges of the building and not the dark sky behind it. So the edges of the building are being selected here. And you see how it's kind of like surrounding that? And you're not limited to just buildings, you're also can use it for people too. And I know there's a boat there, and that's fine. Let's just go ahead and select the boat, and then I'm going to go around, and now I'm going to go the inside. See, there we go. Alright. And again, you can correct it later. And so now at this point I'm just going to go straight, and just like the other tool, the polygon tool, you'll see the circle on the right side, and then and then I messed up there. Okay, so then just double click, and now you messed up here. So what are you going to do right here? You can actually select this right here, or actually, what you can do is select another tool, like say the lasso tool, and then select this icon right here, which is subtract from selection. And then you can go over here, okay, and watch what happens when I think it's best that I just kind of keep it still. See, look at this. And it's gone. And it's gone. And that's gone. Okay, so good enough. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and edit copy, or copy it, okay, however you want. Command C, and make sure you select the right icon, okay. So anyways, and also I like to usually select the marquee tool, just because. Okay, so copy, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into this picture here, and you're going to paste. There it is. And you can adjust the size, as I said before, and I'm going to kind of increase it. And it doesn't make sense to let's go ahead and do that. Let's keep so the fishes are right there. Alright, so I'm going to do this, and now this usually is not how it looks underwater. What I normally do is kind of give it a little opacity, so it kind of looks like it's floating into water. And then I'll show you another really cool effect. Go to filter, and then distort, and then there's a thing called ripple. So let's see what that's about. And as you can see, you can kind of see, first of all, here it's at 100%, so you can actually lower it so you can see that. Although it's not very good, is it? There it is right there. Well, you can decide how much of a ripple effect. Okay, so let's just there it is right there. So you see what's going to happen. So this is what's going to happen right there. I think that's a little overkill there. So I'm going to lower it. Let's just press OK. and as you can see a little bit, it kind of looks like it's in water. Alright, and that's how you do it. Okay, so save this as a PSD file, or actually, you know what, just do a screen capture. Just go ahead and do a screen capture of this, okay, and then attach it into Classroom. And that's how you do the magnetic tool.